Class, whenever we see the word all, we should pause. That word is a signal. It usually means we can rewrite the sentence as an if-then statement. First, Jaden, what kind of thing are we talking about? What is the group being described? Circle that part in your mind before you do anything else. The group, oh, the shapes. Exactly. Good. We are talking about squares. Now ask yourself, what is being said about squares? What must be true about them?
That they have 4 equal sides.
Exactly. And why is that important? Now we place it into structure. If a figure is a square, then it has 4 equal sides. The first part is the hypothesis. The second part is the conclusion. Remember the pattern. All A are B becomes, if something is A, then it is B. Find the group, find what is true about it, then build your sentence carefully. That's correct, Jaden. All squares have 4 equal sides. Thank you, teacher. Here is an apple. I mean, an apple for you. I named him Apple. Oh, how thoughtful, Jaden. He's adorable. Class, today we will examine the sentence, all vertical angles are congruent. First, we must understand the words before we change the structure. Vertical angles are the opposite angles formed when 2 lines intersect. Congruent means equal in measure.
So vertical angles are across from each other, and congruent means they have the same degree measure.
That's correct, Jaden. You're understanding it well. Yes. Very good. Now look at the word all, and that tells us this is a general rule. Whenever you see all, you should prepare to write an if-then statement.
We are talking about vertical angles.
And what must be true about them?
They are congruent. They have equal measures.
Yes, now we have translated the original statement into a conditional statement. If 2 angles are vertical angles, then they are congruent. The first part is the hypothesis. The second part is the conclusion. Remember the pattern. All A are B becomes, if something is A, then it is B. Find the group, find what is true about it, then build your sentence carefully.
So the hypothesis is that the angles are vertical. This is this A. And the conclusion is that they are congruent. And this is B. If A, then B.
Careful, Jaden. It is hypothesis. The emphasis is on the middle.
Hypothesis.
Well done. A hypothesis is simply the first part of an if-then statement.
Thank you, teacher. Here is another apple.
Oh, how thoughtful, Jaden. A perfect red apple. Thank you.
You're welcome.
This will be a lovely treat later. Class, consider this sentence. Every equilateral triangle is equiangular. Before we rewrite it, we must understand the vocabulary. An equilateral triangle has 3 equal sides. An equiangular triangle has 3 equal angles. The sentence tells us something must always be true.
So if a triangle has 3 equal sides, then its angles are equal too?
Yes, Jaden, that is the idea. But let us build it carefully. The word every works just like the word all. It signals a general rule. Now that we understand the meaning of the words, let us read the sentence on the board again.
Every equilateral triangle is equiangular.
Yes, very good. Now we translate this into an if-then statement. When a sentence begins with every, we look for 2 parts. First, what kind of triangle are we talking about?
An equilateral triangle.
Good. That becomes the first part of our conditional. We begin with the word if. Our hypothesis. Now, what must be true about that triangle?
It must be equiangular.
Precisely. So we can say, if a triangle is equilateral, then it is equiangular. This is our conditional statement. And what word is used to indicate the conclusion?
Then it is equiangular.
Precisely. Then introduces the conclusion.
Does that mean the triangle is triple congruent for both sides and angles?
Precisely. Both sides and angles are congruent. That is a thoughtful question, Becky.
Equilateral means all 3 sides are congruent.
Equiangular means all 3 angles are congruent. The sentence tells us that equal sides guarantee equal angles. An equilateral triangle is one where all 3 sides are of equal length. Jaden, Becky, please pay attention. This property makes them equiangular as well. Now we complete the conditional statement. If a triangle is equilateral, then it is equiangular.
Recess. Let's go, Bentley's.
Okay, Jaden.
Very well, class. Recess is over. Let us return to our thinking and reasoning. Before we stepped outside, we were learning how to translate a sentence into a conditional statement. Let us review the steps. Step 1. Find what type of thing the sentence is talking about. Step 2. Find what is being said about it. Step 3. Rewrite it using the pattern, if this, then that. Step 4. Identify the hypothesis, the if part, and the conclusion, the then part. There is a general pattern you must remember. When a sentence says all A are B, we translate it as if something is B. The first category becomes the if part. The description becomes the then part. Watch for common trigger words. Every, all, any, when, and whenever usually begin the if part, the hypothesis. Is, are, and has usually begin the then part. So our sentence becomes, if a triangle is equilateral, then it is equiangular.